amaze yourself with the beautiful mountain views of Maracay. Marriott Maracay Golf Resort, newly renovated to accommodate the perfect stay for business or leisure. Iconic 50s design taken from the original building architecture is complemented by Marriott's expertise. When staying in our hotel in Maracay, you will enjoy our mountain, golf or pool views. Whether you need a change of scenery to get your job done or want to unwind from a long day in Maracay, head to our lobby and enjoy a relaxed atmosphere with complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi. Enjoy staying in a guest room with 2 double beds, a 50-inch flat-panel LCD TV, and an amazing view of our 18-hole Marriott Maracay Golf Resort course, designed by Luis Malaucena. Our guest rooms with 2 double beds feature a comfortable sitting area, work area, and a 50-inch flat-panel LCD TV with premium channels. Our king bedrooms feature plush bedding, flat-panel TVs to watch your favorite shows and ample work desk area. Our new guest rooms are ideally equipped for business travelers with high-speed internet access, business connectivity panels and flat-screen TVs. The spacious suites in our Maracay hotel are newly renovated. These suites are excellent for business travelers that require additional space or for families that want to be more comfortable. Our green restaurant with superior service and exclusive atmosphere create the ultimate dining experience. Get to know your best choice for international cuisine steakhouse specialized with excellent views to poolside and the green of our golf course, which represents the name of our beautiful restaurant. Daily breakfast buffet is available, offering hot dishes, including eggs, bacon, sausage and traditional local cuisine. Find in Cacao Lounge a comfortable and versatile space that meets the needs of leisure and relax in our hotel in Maracay City. After exploring and taking care of all your activities in Maracay City, come and relax at our lobby bar. We feature a sophisticated ambience offering a wide variety of cocktails and snacks. Enjoy a drink at our outdoor pool when you go swimming at our resort. The Marriott Maracay Golf Resort is an iconic hotel originally built in 1957 with recent renovations in 2017, maintaining its original building architecture. Opt for a refreshing swim in our outdoor pool. We provide a luxurious escape ideal for unwinding after a long day in the city or staying active while traveling. While you enjoy your Maracay accommodations, make sure to take advantage of what our hotel has to offer. Marriott Maracay Golf Resort has a wide variety of services and alternatives of entertainment to make your stay an unforgettable experience. Keep up with your workout regimen on the road. We offer a fitness center with cardio machines and free weights for a complete routine. Enjoy a drink at our outdoor pool when you go swimming at our resort. Designed by Luis Malaucena, our 71-par Marriott Maracay Golf Resort will test your skills. Green fees starting from $25. 18-hole golf course, tennis courts, open spaces with natural light, recreational activities, social and corporate meeting spaces.